Hi, this is Amy, and I want to talk about how to format a Works Cited page in correct MLA 8th edition format. I have a set of citations, 3 citations that I have generated using a citation generator, and they're not formatted in a Works Cited page format right now. They're just what I got off the computer. And what I'm going to be using for this is the Purdue OWL Writing Lab's MLA Style Guide page. I want to direct your attention to the MLA sample paper. I like to open this file up and scroll down to the Works Cited page so that you can see an example of how I want my page to look. You can see that we have our Works Cited label up here in the top center. And then we have our citations listed in alphabetical order. Everything is in Times New Roman font, size 12, and you have everything aligned to the left, but then subsequent lines of each entry are indented. That is called a hanging indent. So what I'm going to do is I am going to grab my citations here. First thing I'm going to do, let me resize this. But yeah, the first thing that I'm going to do is change that font to Times New Roman size 12. The next thing I want to do, and I'm going to highlight everything, is change the spacing to double spaced. One thing that Word does, I really don't like it, is here we have even spacing between the lines of each entry, but there's like a little extra space between separate entries. So what you can do is go up into the paragraph menu. Here's where I added the double spacing, but if you look at this little corner button here, that's going to bring up a larger menu. And what I can do now under the spacing section is click Don't Add Space between paragraphs of the same style. That way everything is evenly spaced on the page. Let's go up here and type in Works Cited at the top, and then we're going to center that. One of the more useful things that I wanted to show you on here is grabbing all of your citations. Go back in that paragraph menu. There's a section called indentation, and under the menu where it says special, just change that drop down to hanging, and this should autofill to 0.5 right here. Go ahead and say OK, and you've got that hanging indent. If for some reason your lines are coming over really far, just go back and check to make sure that it is set at 0.5. So I talked about getting things in alphabetical order. I'm noticing with the first citation I have here, this is an error from the citation auto generator. We don't need it to say author, and we need it to be author's last name, comma, first name. So you do want to go back and proofread your citations. I'm just going to pause the video now. So by pausing the video, what I was able to do is go back in there and proofread the individual citations. If you were to go to the Purdue OWL MLA page, under the submenu in the Formatting and Style Guide, you can see Works Cited entries, periodicals. This will show you, I had some scholarly articles that I had to go back and the titles of the journals weren't italicized, so I had to go back and fix that. But anyway, the Purdue OWL is available for you anytime you have questions relating to an individual citation. But my citations are now correct. What I want to do is go here and take this T all the way down to the end. Oh, probably easier if you grab the bottom one and pull it up. But I've got that. Let's see here. K and T. We've got our Works Cited label. Font is correct. Format is correct. So everything looks good. It's obviously its own document right now. It would be part of a larger document that you were submitting as part of a paper or something. But anyway, that's how you can take your computer-generated citations and turn them into, correct MLA format of citations.